We are created by Queen Scholar. If you want something like this, please comment. Are you sure they like us? I don't know, but let us ask them first. Do you want to make something like this? Please drop in the comment section. Oh yeah, come and listen to Queen Shola, and please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and comment. Bye.
Queen Scholar, we own the game. Step to the beat, feel the flame. Together we rise, never the same.
The video you just watched now was generated with free tools. And the most important thing is that you don't need to pay any particular app for you to generate this kind of videos. I can see videos like this going viral on Instagram. That is the first place I started this video with millions of views. So I decided to create my own. And if you are here to start content creating, you can use videos like this to go viral. You can start it as YouTube short or long, depending on how or whichever earnings you like. You want to earn through long or through short form videos. Then if you maybe you don't know the particular, like you are still confused, you don't know the kind of content you want to go into, you can start content like this, because it's like it's very rare for you to see people with double heads together. Okay, like identical double head is very rare. So now I want to teach you, sit tight, let me teach you step by step on how I was able to generate this particular video that you are seeing right now. Now, what I used in generating these videos is just two free apps. Two. I did the first one using my Grok AI, and then I did the second one, this one you are seeing now, was generated using Gemini AI. So I'm going to drop the prompts in the comment section for you to generate yours. The prompt will always be in the comment section. Then one important thing is that when you get the prompt, if you copy the exact prompt and post it, you are getting the exact thing, like the exact image or video that I use, and which is not nice, because if you post it anywhere, you'll be fined for copyright. Yes. So what you have to do is, if you copy the prompt, change some things in it. It can be the color of the clothes that I'm putting on. If my own is red, you can change yours to purple. You can change the write-up from Queen Scholar, let them write any of your brand name that you want. You can change the location. You can change the hairstyle. Okay, you can even change the facial look. Anyhow, you can change the race, maybe from the light skin color to darker or to fairer one. So you can do any one. All right, it mustn't be my exact prompt. So we are going to do is copy the prompt. When you have copied the prompt to your clipboard, then let's dive into Grok. So for you to create this particular video, just go to your Grok AI, click on this icon here, click, we're going to see edit photo, click on edit photo, and then bring in the particular photo you want to use. So I still want to use this very one. Then you put in this prompt. So you need to do some changes if you don't want to use my exact prompt. Okay, so this place I want to change it. I did this first video somewhere, I want to change it. It's going to be my name. Okay, and then this purple should be red. Let me change it to red. All right, and then just this is the prompt. So I click here. Oh my god, I did not even edit this picture. Oh god, let's see how it will come out, please. Let's see. So just give it some time. As usual, you give it some time, and before you know it, the video is already out. So this is it. This is how you can get your double twin. So if you want to make a video, you can now bring in or say what you want to say. For example, so if you want to make a video, you can just click here. Let's one of the, do you want to make something like this? Then the smash and say, please try this in the comment section. You feel like we have whatever you want. Let's see.
Do you want to make something like this? Please drop in the comment section. Do you want to make something like this? Please drop in the comment section. Do you want to make something like this?
So guys, okay, this is second way you can get what you want. Just go to Gemini AI, then you bring click on this plus sign here to bring in the picture you want. Then you paste the prompt. This is, you can change the prompt to any other, put the prompt the way you want it to be, and then you hit this arrow button that says send. So we are going to send it and wait a little and see what it is going to generate. My network, always network every time. So let's give it some time and see what it's going to generate. So the picture is ready. Let's check it. All right, despite it's not always my real face. So this is it. I generated this particular picture using Gemini AI. So what I have to do is just to hold for a longer time. You're going to see save up here. Click on save to save your image to your phone. Okay. So that is it. Then we can now go to Grok AI to tell it what to save. So this is Grok AI. Remember, I was actually doing some work here. I was actually doing work here. So what I have to do just to click on this arrow here again, click on it. We are going to see animate. This time we are going to animate the image because we are going to animate the image. That is turning it into a video. So where's my image now? I have not downloaded. So we click on the particular image, bring it in. We bring it in, and then we type our own um we type our own to say, let the first head say, let the first okay.
We are created by Queen Scholar. If you want something like this, please comment. We are created by Queen Scholar. If you want something like this, please comment. We are created by Queen Scholar. If you want something like
Wow, is it not beautiful? Oh God. Is it not wonderful? Oh my God. So I'm going to add another thing. Please don't forget to always put this thing in. Okay. Then the second head we so I don't know, but let us These village people, I've warned you people today, seriously. Now that you have watched this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment something nice or any other thing you want me to teach you in my next video. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.